If everything moves slow where you work, it's probably because there's a lack of trust. What is trust? Ultimately, it's confidence. Think about this. Have you ever bought something from an unfamiliar website? If you're like me, you first read reviews, checked shipping times, and verified that the site was credible. Now, think about customers who use Amazon. They actually pay money to buy things faster using Prime. Why do people purchase so freely from Amazon? One subtle reason: trust has been established. Good leaders give trust to their team. People need trust to perform, excel, and go to new levels. This may be difficult for you, but trust is essential to the growth of your team. To extend more trust, first, be on the lookout for indicators of competency. After identifying those areas of competency, extend more responsibility. You can extend trust to your team. Start small. Observe how the trust is used, and then measure out more in proportion to the responsibility.